When you open the battery box, you will notice there are 3 batteries. The top 12 volt system, the bottom 2 batteries are the 24 volt system. If you need to jumpstart the combine, there are some things that you need to keep in mind. Is it the 12 volt system that needs to be jump started, or is it the 24 volt system that needs to be jump started? If the Zebra screen will not start up, this is the 12 volt system. If the Zebra screen starts up and the engine will not start, this is the 24 volt system. If jumping the 12 volt battery, then jump 12 volt to 12 volt, positive to positive and negative to negative. Jumping the 24 volt system, you can either connect it with 2 batteries, so 1 for each battery, or as a 24 volt system to a 24 volt system across the outer battery terminals. If need to, please consult the operator's manuals for any extra information.